Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am sharing with you how to season jerk chicken. Now, to season jerk chicken you can use your favorite spices. However, there are some spices that you must use in order for you to call it jerk. Spices such as nutmeg, cinnamon, and pimento. Those three spices are the main ingredients for jerking, right? So having said that, I am gonna season the chicken. Season with salt to suit your taste. The chicken already washed and drain and pat dry, and I leave the skin intact. I also leave some of the fats so that the fats can help to keep the chicken moist while jerking. Maggi jerk seasoning. I am using I would say 2 teaspoons of each spices, and this one is Maggi all-purpose. Paprika. This one here, Lorry seasoned salt. No MSG. A little bit of Badia complete season, and that is the amount of spices that I will be using. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the spices all over the chicken. And it's best for you to season the chicken overnight, or probably a day or two before you're ready to jerk it. Trust me, it makes a big difference. For me, I am gonna jerk it tomorrow, so I am seasoning today. Crush fresh pimento seeds, the same thing that you call allspice. If you want, you can use the powder, but I rather the fresh. When you're jerking chicken or jerking pork or anything you're jerking, it's best to use the fresh pimento seeds. And now I am using 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. So those are the 3 main ingredients, as I mentioned before, in jerk: pimento, cinnamon, and nutmeg. This is piece of ginger root crush. So in this container are 1 onion slice, 2 hot peppers slice, and piece of fresh thyme, 1 stalk scallion, and 4 cloves garlic. So that's basically it. I am putting some of the fresh herbs into the bag. So now I am gonna put the chicken into the bag as well, along with the with the garlic, not the garlic, the we call this ginger. Yeah, so I'm gonna put everything into the bag. So now I am gonna put the remaining fresh herbs into the bag as well. Close the Ziploc bag and then place the bag into a container and put the container into the fridge because I will be jerking the chicken tomorrow. So there's no need to put it in the freezer. However, if you're following this recipe but you won't be jerking the chicken until 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days time, then you will put the bag into the freezer because you have to keep it frozen until you're ready to use. However, make sure that you use the chicken within 1 week because after 1 week the strength of the season will slowly weaken. So yeah man, it's best you use it within 1 week. However, tomorrow I'm gonna jerk the chicken, so stay tuned for that video recipe. Thanks for watching. Remember, when you subscribe, click the post notification bell so that you will know when I uploaded a new video to this channel. Stay blessed, walk good until next time.